Welcome back to another episode of Dark Weekly. Currently we're just breaking out some door material for a wardrobe out in Gift Nook. I'm currently just pocket holing all the shelves and whatnot which are going to go in. These are all down here. See the wee pocket holes. So we're just because the client's getting some landscaping work done, we just thought it'd be best to build it off site and then take it across to Gift Nook once it's all ready to be installed. So we'll be a couple of days here. Tomorrow hopefully we'll have all the doors made up. And then Thursday we're going to transport everything across and hope to finish for Friday, minus the sanding. At this stage we're cutting out all the door material, cutting out the rails and stiles for the doors, making sure everything's millimetre perfect as we don't want any problems when we come to fit these. Now we're in the property, Tommy's just cutting out the carpet so we're down onto hard base for the wardrobe. We've got a timber up the wall so that's all ready to go for our fixing points once we're ready to install the first carcass. This carcass is all installed and fixed back. Basically what we've done is we've fixed through the top straight into the back of the brick wall. Tommy's just doing the scribing pieces along here. I'm going to get the scribing piece all sorted and then we'll have our perimeter all done. Doors are all made up as well at the house so they're ready to be sanded and then we'll have them on tomorrow. Just heading home today. Boom! That's me just heading up the road. Today was a good day actually, we managed to get all the carcasses in. Levelled up, fixed back, also managed to get our filler pieces all cut. So we've got the left hand filler piece, we've got the scribe into the wall cut for the end panel as well. It's going to be a shaker panel formed for the end panel, which is good. And I think the client's now wanting to insert a kind of brass mirror into that once it's all painted and whatnot. So that'll be nice. I think she's going to do the same with the doors as well, which will be cool. So yeah, just heading up the road, absolutely knackered after that bank holiday weekend. So back tomorrow, we'll get all the doors on, hopefully the skirting, cornice put on, ready for the carpet fitter to come in on Friday. We've also got the internals to fit out, but hopefully we can get that done towards the end of the day tomorrow, along with the drawer set that's to go in. So we've got a lot of the stuff cut, but just need to get a final wee push so we can get this finished for Friday. Fingers crossed we'll get it done. Tommy's now on to sanding the doors. We're just sanding all the edges in between and then we're buffing everything down with the big Festool Rotex 150. I'm just drilling out the hinges, so they're all getting done, and obviously they're done on every single door, so we repeat the same process as we go, but just saves a lot of time finishing up. The doors are already sanded, it's just the wardrobe to finish on the Friday, so it's a wee bonus to get these sanded before they're on, and it also makes them look a lot better. That's us inside again. So what we've done is we've got all the doors on, we've got a couple of shelves in, drawers are in at the end there, big deep drawers for the client. We've managed to get a cornice round at the top. Doors are all shut, we need to line the doors up, but hey ho. Skirting's on at the bottom, waiting for the carpet fitter to come tomorrow, so all going well. Hopefully Stephen the fitter will be here midday hopefully. By then Tommy should have most of it all sanded, we'll get the hanging rails in, and then we'll be good to go, finished up in this one, ready to start the next unit for the client. That's this wardrobe fully finished, bar the handles and a couple of wee snags. Tommy's just catching a wee bit on the skirting there. So yeah, that's this wardrobe all totally finished up, sanded, ready to be handed over to the client, minus the carpet as well. Internally, we've got nice hanging areas with shelves. There's triple hanging in the next carcass along, and then further long and double hanging elsewhere. But yeah, it's turned out really well this one, and happy to hand it over to the client.